Hey guys, Seton HVAC here, just kind of chilling out in the dining room. Uh, so I'm going to get a little emotional here about how I feel about HVAC. It's done everything for me in my life. I'm not always the best speaker when it comes to stuff like this, but I just want everybody to know that it's an amazing trade. It's done everything for me and my family, and I wouldn't be anywhere without HVAC. It's just an amazing trade that has given me strength, and I don't know what else to say about it. It really gets me choked up because I'd be nowhere. I would be, who knows, I might be dead. So please watch this video and tell me if you like it, and I'll just leave it at that. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. It's awesome to have the shop cleaned up some. I mean, check this out, guys. Everything's all organized. I got the truck even cleaned out. It doesn't get any better than this. You know, we live in a great country where we're allowed to be free to be entrepreneurs. You know, I started from scratch. I actually borrowed $300 from my wife so I could apply for my contractor's license, if you believe that. When she found me, I was sleeping on my couch. I was sleeping on my sister's couch with about $200 to my name, and that was money that was left over from a 401k that I cashed out. I'm being real honest with you guys here. Now I'm a highly successful contractor with lots of accounts, lots of people that trust me, residential, commercial clients that trust everything that I do. I'm very honest with people. I let them know that, hey, I'm not always the cheapest, but I will definitely do the best job for you, and I will do it honestly, and try to do it on time if I can, if I am not overwhelmed with other stuff, and that happens as a one-man band. So yeah, life is good. The main reason I wanted to post this is I wanted to talk about this break a little bit more. Now, you know, I have some funny shorts and stuff that talk about this break. And you know, it's no joke for what this thing costs. It's amazing what you can get done with it. It really is amazing. This break in the last 20 plus years has made me lots of money, and there's no reason to go out and buy a bunch of expensive equipment when you're doing residential retrofit work, or even residential new construction for that matter. You'll never have anything that's bigger than what bigger than what this can handle. So let me show you where it is from again. Okay, so you get this at Harbor Freight, or you can find it online. It's Central Machinery, 36-inch brake, and it comes with this stand, a couple bolts on each side, and you're set. And you know, roll yourself up a couple pieces of sheet metal. You don't have to go to a sheet metal shop and have stuff pre-made. If you get yourself good at building sheet metal, you can just use this and you're fine. There's no reason to you know, pay somebody else to build you sheet metal fittings, which may or may not be correct. The easiest way to do it is to do it on site. Then you know that it's going to be good. And I've showed you guys how to do the field Pittsburghs. I've showed you, you know, basic sheet metal stuff. If you need any help with it, let me know. I'm happy to do. I used to do training up in the state of Washington for small companies that wanted to teach their guys how to build sheet metal. And guess which brake I brought with me? It was that one. You know, I don't have any skin in the game. I'm not a salesman for this brake. I've just owned a few of them in the last 20 to 25 years, and they're awesome. So in closing, you know, HVAC is an amazing trade. I think it's the best trade by far of any of the trades. If I had to go back to being a teenager again and I had to pick college or, you know, bagging groceries or whatever it may be, I'd still pick HVAC again because it's done a lot for me and my family. You know, in spite of some of my personal issues I've had over the years, you know, you can always pick yourself up with this skilled trade. You really can. It's an amazing thing when you have skills that can pick you up out of the ashes and bring you up and be successful in no time. It really is a nice skill to have, and it's a really good safety blanket knowing that you're never going to be out of work and you're never, going to be poor. There's just no way. So thanks for watching, guys. I was thinking about that when I was sitting in my office, and I just wanted to come out here and talk about it. So thanks for listening.